Everyone, my name is James.
My name is Michael.
We're the co-founders and directors of the Mortgage Quarter. We're based here in Exeter. This is our first ever broadcast, so please go easy on us. We're going to be releasing a few videos over the next few weeks and in the future, so feel free to contact us if you have any topics you want to ask and get us to talk about. But today we're going to talk about mortgage payment holidays. So to kick off, Mick, can you tell us what a mortgage holiday is?
So a mortgage holiday is effectively you're not paying your mortgage for anywhere between 1 to 3 months. So it's an official agreement between yourself and your mortgage lender that you are taking 3 months off. Sadly, it's not a proper holiday like we all know and love. You will have to sadly pay back the amount that you've been let off, if you like, over the remainder of your mortgage term, including the interest for those 3 months.
Sure, great. So there's a lot of people applying for that at the minute. We're getting a lot of inquiries and a lot of people being successful, which is great for when people need it. Another question we get asked a lot is, will it affect your credit score?
So no, I'm glad to say that all kind of mortgage lenders at the moment are, or have been told by the government, that they're not allowed to affect people's credit score unless it's something that hasn't been as a direct result of COVID-19. So the nice thing is by taking those 3 months off, whereas historically it would have affected your credit score, it won't at the moment, which is wonderful news and actually a lot of weight off, I think, for a lot of people.
Yeah, so people shouldn't be in a worse position anyway with their credit report, and it shouldn't affect any lender in the future, which is great news. Can anyone apply for a mortgage payment holiday?
So you can. I mean, it's all down to everyone's personal circumstances. So of course, if you are still working and on your full wages, then obviously we'd say best advice is to keep paying because it isn't a free holiday. But of course, if you have been affected, get in touch with your mortgage lender directly. They are in a position of helping as many people as possible. And as I say, we've had some fantastic successes where a lot of our clients have applied and been successful, and it's all worked very well.
Yeah, it's working really well as in a minute. And good support from the government, which we like to see when things aren't doing as well as they should be. Some other news is that our landline of the Mortgage Quarter, we've actually turned into a support contact number for not only our clients, but anyone concerned about mortgage payments. So if you give our landline a call, there'll be a qualified mortgage advisor on the end of it and can answer any further questions.
Yeah. So also at the moment, don't forget that you can still review your mortgage, whether or not you're in a payment holiday or you're considering taking a payment holiday, be that because you're worried about what's going to happen after. So you want to review your term, your rate, you can still get in touch with us to discuss that. Again, that is something we're still offering to all of our existing clients and obviously any new clients who want to get in touch.
Yeah, so really positive on that side of things. Well, we'd like to thank you for watching or listening or reading. This is our first one, as I mentioned, so keep a lookout for any future videos and let us know if there's any content you want us to talk about next. Thank you very much.